Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. What you need in this video, we will see how we can easily download and install Visual Studio Code, that is VS Code, on Windows 11. Still download open source, which is free to download. So first go to your browser. I am using Chrome browser. You can use any browser you want. Here search Visual Studio Code. Click on the first link which will appear by code.visualstudio.com. And now here you can see download for Windows. We can download by simply clicking on it, or on the above side there is download button. We can download from here also. Here by clicking on drop down we can see different options to download on Mac, Windows and Linux. I will simply click on download for Windows. It will start downloading. After it get downloaded, click to open. Now license agreement tab will open. Here click on I accept the agreement and then click the next. Here you can change the path by clicking on the browse and choose the path you want, but I will go with default options and click the next. Then again click the next, and here select all the 5 boxes, click next, and here again click next. Now wait for it to install. After install, check the box launch Visual Studio Code and finish. VS Code's installation is done. Here there are different options to select theme for VS Code. I will choose the dark theme. Now close VS Code and here click on search. Type CMD and then open command prompt. Here type code and then enter. It will automatically open your VS Code. So that's it for this video. Please subscribe my channel, like my video and press the bell icon to get notification for my latest videos. Thank you.